निम्स एकाडेमी युट्युब च्यानलमा तपाईहरुलाई फेरि पनि स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु। तपाईहरुले यो भन्दा अगाडि विभिन्न भिडियोहरु हेर्नु होला। कुनै HTML को हेर्नु होला, कुनै स्वास्थ्य शारीरिक इकाइको, कुनै समसामयिक वस्तुगत प्रश्नहरुको यस्ता भिडियोहरु मेरो च्यानलमा आइरहेको हुन्छन्। कृपया मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरेर सपोर्ट गर्न चाहिँ नभुल्नुहोला। यो तपाईहरुका लागि मैले गरेको काम हो। सो आजको भिडियो भनेको हामी वेब डिजाइनमा अन्तर्गत रहेर गरिरहेछौं, जुन चाहिँ च्याप्टर 2 एन्सर क्वेशन सोलुसनमा रहेको छ। जाउँ भिडियोतर्फ। निम्स एकाडेमी युट्युब च्यानललाई लाइक, शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गर्न चाहिँ नभुल्नु होला। यो तपाईकै च्यानल हो। औ सर्ट एन्सर क्वेशनमा Point on website development. Website development is a specialized area that focuses on creating online pages and web applications. It mainly uses HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as the major building blocks of a website. To know more, what is design phase? The design phase is the creative phase of website development. In this phase, the designer understands the client expectation, sketches the website, designs logos, and selects suitable templates. 3 number, how is website development important? Website development is important because it helps businesses, organizations, and individuals establish an online presence. A website can improve visibility, provide information, support digital marketing, increase customer engagement, and provide services to users. What is WordPress? WordPress is a widely used content management system, CMS. It is a free to download and use, simple to learn, adaptable, and the search engine optimized. It also provides many themes and plugins for website development. Explain development phase. The development phase is also called the implementing phase. In this phase, databases, logic, and Excel programming are created for website. What are the types of website testing? 3 types of website testing mentioned in the textbooks are content testing, functional testing, design testing. After testing, the website files are uploaded to the server and the website is launched. Long answer question. What are the basic principles of website development? Basic principles of website development are: simple is the best. A website should be simple so that visitors can easily understand and navigate it. Consistency, the fonts, sizes, headings, subheadings, and buttons should be consistent throughout the website. Typography and readability, suitable fonts and the proper combinations of typefaces should be used to make content easy to read. Mobile compatibility, websites should work properly on smartphone, tablets, and different screen sizes. Color palettes and imagery, suitable colors and images should be selected to make the website attractive. Easy loading, website loading the time should be reduced by optimizing resources and code. Easy navigation, the website should have logical pages, hierarchy, clickable buttons, and easy navigations. Communications, headlines, subheadlines, and bullet points should be used to communicate information effectively. What are the phases of website development? There are 6 phases of website development. Information gathering. Information about the client's needs, visions, goals, and the purpose of website is collected. Planning. Tasks are arranged, assignment is developed, and menus, contents, and navigation systems are decided. Designing. The designer understands client expectations, sketches the website, design logos, and select templates. Development. Database logic and Excel programmings are created. Testing and delivery. Content, functional, and design testings are performed. After testing, files are uploaded to the server and the website is officially launched. Maintenance. The website contents and the designs are updated and maintained after its launch. 3. What are the importance of website? Websites are important in the modern digital world for the following reasons. Business can be established an online presence. Websites are cost effective. They help people find local companies online. They support digital marketing campaigns. Targeted market can increase online sales. Websites help establish client trust. They provide 24/7 accessibility. They increase company visibility and audience reach. They encourage consumer engagement and feedback. So, Nims Academy channel ma जुडिरहनु भएको छैन भने लाइक शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गर्न चाहिँ नभुल्नु होला. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.